Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Long time no see. I might be picking up something, we'll see. So, peeking around the corner is this Defense Zone Premium Hand Sanitizer. It's 8 ounces. SKU number is 5755048. Normal price is $2.99. They have it as a sale price is $2.66. 11% is taking 33% off. So it is not free unless you've got it with the 11% sale. What do you know? That lonely little hand sanitizer had buddies. So more hand sanitizer. We have True Wash hand sanitizer. It's 8 ounces. SKU number is 5718998. Normal price is $197. Sale price is $175. And right now with 11%, it is taking 22 cents off, making it free after rebate. We have Defense Zone Premium Hand Sanitizer, 12 ounces. SKU number is 5755049. Normal price is $3.99. Sale price is $3.55. And they're taking 44 cents off for the 11% sale, making this item free with the 11%. This was the same 8-ounce hand sanitizer we've seen around the corner. SKU number is 5755048. Okay guys, 2020 was awful. This stuff was very valuable. So 2021 had to get better. So what is better than the most valuable thing being free? These are free after rebate and they are unlimited. But with the 11% right now, making them 5-cent money makers each. And your girls truly talked to some people. They let me round up to 4,000 on them so that when the next shipment comes in, I can get that as well. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, how many trips is this gonna take? Looks good. Hey guys, thanks for staying to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, leave a comment. Tell me down below what big hauls have you got from Menards and what do you normally buy when there's 11% sale. Last year, you guys must have bought a lot of stuff during the 11% sale because it went on forever.